So I want to bring in Carolyn Egan now. She's the spokesperson for the Ontario Coalition for Abortion Clinics, joining me from Toronto today. Carolyn, thank you so much for your time.
Delighted. Thank you very much.
I can only imagine what you might be thinking, but give Canadians a sense here, the reaction to this draft majority opinion, the incredible ramifications of all of this.
Well, it was absolutely devastating news. I mean, not unexpected in many ways because we've seen the way things were going. But I will tell you, talking with people this morning, rage, anger, tears. We have worked very closely with the pro-choice reproductive justice movement in the States all through our struggles here. They've been supportive to us. We've been supportive to them. And I think they know and we know very well what this could potentially mean if this carries through. And we know it's going to be the most vulnerable who will be affected, from Black communities, Hispanic communities, the poor, young people, people on Indigenous reserves. I mean, these are the ones who are going to be affected because they don't have the resources to go out of the country to other states. And it's just devastating.
Is there an anticipation if something like this does go through? And I want to remind our viewers that you did work with Dr. Henry Morgentaler to overturn federal law which criminalized abortion here in Canada. If it does go in the direction that all are fearing now in the United States, what do you anticipate that would mean here in Canada?
Well, I think that throughout the many decades that I've been involved with so many others, we've seen things that happen in the United States have an effect here. There's no doubt about it. At the same time, I want to say we are a different system. It's a different it's a different circumstance. I think we know we have a very strong pro-choice majority in this country. Most people support reproductive justice, reproductive freedom, and that will put us in good stead. At the same time, we have seen what we call anti-choice by stealth, the chipping away of the rights we've had. We've seen even in New Brunswick today, abortions in the clinic, the one clinic in Fredericton, are not covered by the health plan. And we've seen even when Harper was in government, when he was the prime minister, he cut funding to any international organizations, Canadian organizations that either assisted or provided abortions women around the globe. So we know private members' bills come forward regularly. I think we're in a better situation in the United States for sure, but we have to be on guard, and we're going to do everything we can to support those who are struggling there. And we have to just alert the Canadian people who fought so hard over so many decades to bring us what we have today here, that we have to be there to defend it and not allow any of the chipping away through hospital budget cuts, through harassment at clinics, all of those things.
Before I let you go, Carolyn, what about the mental health, emotional impact of what this will mean for women?
Well, I think, we've just been through 2 years of COVID. There's so much anxiety, depression. People have had such hard times. And once again, to see a significant right, something so basic to our healthcare, and that's the way we framed it in this country. It's basic to our healthcare. We have to do everything we can to support anyone who is feeling beleaguered by this, but also say that we've had the confidence to win again. We will rise up, and I think you'll see a rise up in the United States and hopefully push this back. But honestly, we feel confident we can win this battle, but it's going to be a struggle, and we just tell people to keep strong, keep the confidence, and support anything you can to support reproductive justice in this country.
Certainly hearing the loud voices, but as you say, there's going to be another hard fight once again for those equal rights. Carolyn, thank you so much for giving me your time. It's a pleasure to have you on the program. Carolyn Egan is the spokesperson for the Ontario Coalition for Abortion Clinics. We'll continue on this. Thanks, Carolyn.